Hello, children. Good morning. I hope you all are doing very good. Uh, Previously, class, we have started term 1, lesson 1. Okay, I hope you all are understood that lesson. And now we will go to lesson number 2, that is river giver. Okay, children, river giver. Okay, let's start. Okay, river means what? Okay, what is the river? River means it is a natural unit. Okay, a river is a natural flowing water course. Okay, children, usually fresh water flowing towards an ocean, sea, lake, or another river. In some cases, a river flows into the ground and becomes dry at the end of its course without reaching another body of water. Children, in India and throughout world, so many rivers are there. Okay, so some names I will tell now. Just understand. Okay, children. First of all, you all know so many rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Godavari, Kaveri, Krishna, Tungabhadra, uh, Hooghly, Sabarmati, okay, और पद्मा और महानदी, okay, अलकनंदा, so many rivers are there, Chambal, Gomati. Some rivers are in India and some rivers are in the world. Okay, Jhelum, okay, Indus, like this. So many rivers, Satluj, so many rivers are there. Okay, children. So here, what is the question? First of all, I am reading the question. If you have textbook, children, please open and listen carefully. How much do you know about India's rivers? Find out. Okay. Here some fill in the blanks given. Okay. So we fill that. Okay, children. First one is see the two rivers mentioned in our national anthem are. Yes, I hope you all are know that. What is that? Our national anthem? Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga. Yes, the two rivers are mentioned. What is that? Ganga, Yamuna. Okay, children? Ganga, Yamuna. Next one. The glacier from which the river Yamuna originates is called dash. Okay, that is Yamunotri Glacier. Yamuna originates is Yamunotri Glacier. Okay, children. So I think you all are one of the doubt. I think what is the glacier? Okay, I will clarify that one. Okay, glacier means a mass of ice that moves slowly down a valley. Okay, that is called glacier. Okay, now I'm reading the third one. In the middle of the dash which flows into India from Tibet, there is an island called Majuli. Majuli. Okay, so that is Brahmaputra river. Okay, Brahmaputra river flows into India from Tibet. Okay, there is an island that is called Majuli. Fourth one, Mahatma Gandhi's ashram was on the banks of the river. Yes, there is one of the river is there is Mahatma Gandhi's ashram. That is Sabarmati. Actually, that ashram name is also Sabarmati Ashramam. Okay, so That is the answer is Sabarmati river. Okay, children. Fifth one. Phulan Devi, the Bandit queen, lived her early years in the valley of the river. Okay. Phulan Devi. Who is the Phulan Devi? Phulan was the only woman member of the gang of dacoits. Dacoits. Okay. मतलब Phulan Devi. What is the dacoit? That meaning is a member of an armed gang of robbers. That is the dacoit. Okay, children. So the answer is Phulan Devi. She lived her early years in the valley of the. What is that? That river is Chambal River. Yes, Chambal. Okay, Chambal River. Children, next one. Okay, sixth one is the Bhakra Nangal, the second highest dam in the world. Yes, the Bhakra Nangal is the second highest dam in the world, is found across the river. So Bhakra Dam is the second highest in the world. You know that, okay? That it is found across the river is Satluj River. Yes. What is that? Satluj River. Okay, children. Seventh one. Children. Okay. Seventh one. The name of this state means five rivers. It is which state that one? Five rivers is the name of the state. That is Punjab. So here I will explain how that name came. Okay, Panj. Panj means five rivers. Okay, Panj means five. Okay, and Ab means water. Okay, so Punjab means land of five rivers. Okay, children, you got it. Here the what is that five rivers? That is Vase, Chenab, Jhelum, Ravi, Satluj. These all are five rivers of Punjab. Okay, children. Next one. Eighth one. The Hooghly flows through the city of Dash, which is the capital of West Bengal. Everyone has know that is what is the capital of West Bengal? Yes, Kolkata. Yes, Kolkata. So the Hooghly flows through the city of Kolkata. Okay. So here the Hooghly river are the Bhagirathi Hooghly. Okay. Ninth one. On the banks of the river Vaigal is the city of Madurai. Okay. Madurai. So Vaigal river means the Vaigal river is the river that starts flowing from Varusanadu hills. Varusanadu hills. Okay. 10th one is this great river flows through Odisha into the Bay of Bengal. It is the dash. You know what is the great river in Odisha? Great river in Odisha, that is Mahanadi. Okay. So Mahanadi flows through Odisha into the Bay of Bengal. Okay, children. I hope you all are understood this lesson. If any queries, you can ask to me my number. I will forward my number. Okay. Okay, children. Thank you.